Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ika Kurniawati. I'm teacher in SMK Muhammadiyah Kesesi. Now, I'm a student of program Profesi Guru at Muhammadiyah Surakarta University. Today, I want to share my experience in teaching learning process on online. On this activity is taken today on Monday, July 19, 2021 at 10 a.m. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, too. Thank you. Okay. Before we start our lesson, we must pray to God, and then I'd like to choose one of you to lead of you, and then please Agung Bayu lead your friends to pray.
Yeah, please. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Bayu. And then I'd like to check your attendance list. Don't forget to say yes, Mom, or yes, I'm here, and don't forget verb 1. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Karina?
Yes, Mom. Pray.
Good. Dina?
Yes, Mom. Sweep.
Eka?
Yes, Mom. Sleep.
Trihana?
Yes, Mom. Eat.
Okay, thank you. I think no one absent today, ya. Okay, before I give the material, please check your connection, ya, and then don't forget to bring your pen and your book, ya. Bawa buku sama pulpennya, and then if you have any trouble, for example, my PowerPoint, you cannot see PowerPoint, please tell me, ya. Kalau mau kalau siaran atau presentasinya Ibu tidak kelihatan, tolong langsung dikabari ya, anak-anak ya. Okay. And then I'd like to share my PowerPoint. Okay. And then look at the video. Yeah. Okay. From the video, we get point ya. Jadi ini adalah motivation for today, quote of the day. Be thankful for what you have. You will end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. Bersyukurlah atas apa yang kamu miliki. Kamu akan memiliki lebih banyak lagi. Jika kamu konsentrasi pada apa yang tidak kamu miliki, kamu tidak akan pernah merasa cukup. Ya, dari video yang kita lihat tadi berarti kita harus apa? Harus bersyukur dan tidak serakah ya anak-anak. And then we will start our material. Okay. Before that, I have question for you. Last material. Do you still remember what we have learned last meeting?
Opinion, Mom.
Okay. Opinion. Good. And then?
Me, Mom.
Yeah.
Have to give opinion, asking and giving opinion.
Okay. Last meeting, you have learned about the opinion. How to give opinion and giving opinion, right? And then please give me an example of asking opinion. Maybe one of you can answer it.
Me, Ma'am. Agung.
Please, louder.
What is your opinion about my new handphone?
What is your opinion about my handphone? Okay, good. And then give me an example to giving opinion from, what is your name? From Agung ya?
Yes, Ma'am.
Ya.
Trihana.
Okay, Trihana.
Wow, wonderful. I think your handphone has complete features.
Okay, good. Yeah, last material we have learned about the asking opinion and giving opinion. Okay, thank you, student. And then before that, I'd like to give explanation about the learning objective. Yeah, after learning this material, the students are able to, the first, analyze social function, text structure, and language feature of personal letter based on context. Second, compare social function, text structure, and language feature of personal letter based on context. And then arrange a text of personal letter for write a personal letter. Ya, ini adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini. And then please answer the question. Do you have any family or friend who live far away from you?
No.
Yes, Mom.
No.
Yeah. Some of you answer yes and some of you answer no. And then what were people doing to keep communicating with other in long distance?
Me, Ma'am.
Yeah.
Agung. By telephone.
By telephone. Okay, good. Maybe another answer?
Hey mom, my name is Mina.
Okay.
By WhatsApp.
By WhatsApp. Okay, good. And then maybe another answer again?
I
Yeah.
by email.
By email. Okay. Can you tell me what do you write in your email?
I tell my friend about my experience, Mom, when I went to my grandmother in Semarang in pandemic COVID. It's so
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, okay, thank you, Trihana. Okay. Have you ever sent the letter other people?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Now we will learn about the personal letter, yeah. Personal letter. The first we will study about purpose, generic structure, language feature, and example. Okay. From the definition, we know that the personal letter is a type of letter or informal composition that usually concern personal matters rather than professional concern. And isn't from one individual to another. And then social function. To inform the receiver that the sender wants to tell an important thing like his or her personal feelings, thoughts, or experience. Jadi social functionnya adalah to inform the receiver, penerimanya. Jadi menginformasikan kepada penerima surat bahwa sender yang mengirim surat itu memberitahukan sesuatu atau memberitahukan sesuatu yang important atau sesuatu yang penting atau personal feeling atau perasaannya atau pengalamannya. Itulah social function dari personal letter. Generic structure of personal letter, the first, date, address, salutation and name, and then introduction, body, closure, complementary clause, and then signature. Okay, and then definition of the date. The date when the letter is written top left. Ya, jadi date atau tanggal ini ditulis di surat di sebelah top left, berarti di atas sebelah kiri. And then address, place where you are writing from, tempat di mana kamu menulis surat tersebut ya. Jadi di top right, di atas sebelah kanan. And then salutation and name, greeting and the person name you are writing to. Salutation ini seperti sapaan ya. For example, hello or dear Trihana, dear Karina, dear Warman. Lah itu yang dinamakan salutation and name. And then introduction. The opening of the letter usually start with how are you or refers to previous letter. Nah, biasanya untuk introduction atau pembukaan ini dimulai dari untuk menanyakan apa? Kabar ya. How are you for example. And then the body, the main part of the letter. The body itu isi dari letter tersebut. And then closure. The part indicate the letter is going to end. Closure ini bagian atau kandidat bagian bawah surat sebelum selesai ya. Biasanya mungkin ini saja dari kami for example. And then complementary clause ya. Sebelum tanda tangan ini ada love you, sincerely atau yours and love. The last about the signature. You know that signature is tanda tangan ya. After touch in a letter you begin with your friend. This is the end to go to your question. Okay? And then we learn about the language feature of personal letter. The first, focus on exchange personal current news, feelings, and condition. And then using pronoun, simple present tense, past tense, present perfect. And then using informal greetings or salutation. For using much more casual language and tone friendly, relax. Ya, jadi untuk language feature of personal letter itu fokus tentang perasaan ya, and then using pronoun menggunakan kata ganti, simple present tense, and then past tense and present perfect ya. Jadi ada beberapa grammar yang digunakan ketika menggunakan personal letter ini. Ada simple present tense, past tense, present perfect ya. And then using informal greetings or salutation. For using much more casual language. Casual language ini menggunakan kalimat yang santai ya, atau kata-kata yang santai atau bahasa yang santai. Jadi tidak baku karena personal letter. Okay. And then we have learned about the grammar, simple present tense dengan rumus ya. Do you still remember definition of simple present tense?
Kalimat yang menyatakan kebiasaan.
Okay, good. Kalimat yang menyatakan kebiasaan. This is example for simple present tense. Positive, negative, and interrogative sentence ya. Simple present tense. Subject plus verb 1 plus be, or subject plus verb 1 plus s ya. She goes to school every day. And then the children are naughty. And then kalimat negatif tinggal menambahkan apa? Subject plus auxiliary do or does plus not bar infinitive ya. She does not go to school every day. And then the children aren't naughty. Ya, karena untuk to be berarti penambahannya tinggal menambahkan not. And then kalimat interrogatif, pertanyaan ya, diawali dengan do or does plus subject plus bar infinitive. Atau be plus subject. This is an example. Does he go to school every day? Ya, are the children naughty? Nah, ini adalah penjelasan dari atau this is explanation about the simple present tense. And then I have a question. Please, Karina, make a sentence about your daily activities.
I have breakfast at 7 o'clock every morning.
I have breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, good. Habit ya, kebiasaan. And then I want to choose one of you. Please, Ainun, make a sentence about your daily activities.
Yes, Mom.
Okay.
I get up at 5 every day clock.
I get up at 5 every day. Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah, this is an example of simple present tense. Jelas? Simple past tense. Yeah, we have learned about the simple past tense, right? And what is the meaning of the simple past tense? Do you still remember about the simple past tense?
Kalimat yang menyatakan masa lampau.
Okay, good ya. The sentence that explain about the past ya. Kalimat yang menyatakan about past tenses ya. Past sentence atau kalimat yang menyatakan pada masa lampau. Nah, bentuk rumusnya apa? Menggunakan verb to ya atau kata kerja bentuk kedua. Ya, sama. We have 3 points. The first about the positive sentence, and then negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Untuk rumusnya subject plus verb to, and then or subject plus was or were nominal. And then for example, this is she bought a new handphone yesterday. Di sini bukan buy tapi bought karena verb kedua. And then the case was hard to solve. Nah, kenapa was? Karena di sini subjeknya dilihat ya, the case. Cuma satu ya, the case was hard to solve. And then negatif kalian dengan rumus subject plus did plus not plus verb one ya. Nah, ini rumusnya berarti tinggal menambahkan did not. Nah, untuk kalimatnya yang dari verb one verb two berubah menjadi verb one karena di sini negatif. She didn't buy a new handphone. She did not buy a new handphone. And then nominal tinggal menambahkan not ya. Subject plus were or was or were plus not plus verb one. The case was not ya, tinggal menambahkan not di kalimat. And then interrogative verb ya, did plus subject plus verb one. Ini kembali lagi ke verb one karena untuk pertanyaan. Did she buy a new book yesterday? And then was, were plus subject plus verb one. For example, was the case hard to solve? Nah, ini this is an example of simple past tense. And then I'd like to choose one of you to make a sentence about the simple past tense. Please, Eka, make the sentence about the simple past tense.
I ate a plate of fried rice last night.
I ate a plate of fried rice last night. Okay, good. Yeah, this is a sample of simple past tense. And then, yeah, we will analyze about the generic structure of personal letter. Please look at the picture. Yeah, we try to analyze the generic structure of personal letter. Yeah, the Seginggi Raya Lombok. This is an address atau alamatnya. Berarti di top sebelah right, top right. Ya, and then the date 11 January 2014. This date. Berarti top left, kanan sebelah kiri. And then salutation. Salutation ini merupakan greeting or pembukaan ya. My dear lovely ya. My dear siapa gitu nih sebagai salutation. And then hello greeting. Nah, biasanya if you want to write about the letter ini bisa dipakai langsung my dear ya. And then introduction. Introduction itu biasanya diawali dengan kata menanyakan kabar di sini ya. How are you sweetie? Ya, ini adalah introduction. And then the body ini merupakan the content of the letter. Nah, ini merupakan konten atau body dari letternya tersebut ya. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. Berarti ini the letter about the apologize ya. Okay, and then after that, setelah body atau the content of the letter, we will study about closure. Closure ini kata penutup sebelum menutup ya. I will see you soon. Saya saya akan segera melihat kamu gitu kan. And then closing ini seperti ini ya, ditulis seperti tadi, sincerely, your love, lots of love ya. And then signature, you can write your name. This is about the personal letter analysis. Okay, maybe one of you any question?
Me, Mom.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Ainun.
Ainun. What is your question?
Mom, I have question. Personal letter is informal letter. What's the difference of formal and informal letter?
Okay, personal letter is informal letter, and then what is the difference of personal letter? What is the difference of formal letter and informal letter? Yeah, we have explained about the personal letter or informal letter. That informal letter dia dilihat dari apa tadi? Yang the first about the voice ya. Kalau the voice personal informal letter itu passive, and then for informal active ya. And then written to formal letter for business, and then organization, and then business employer ya. And then for the informal letter written to friend and your family. And then for objektifnya, kalau informal itu professional communication ya. If personal letter is communication ya. That is that are different of informal letter and formal letter. Okay, do you understand, Ainun?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, and then please open your LKPD and then try to answer the question. This is pembagian grup ya. Group 1, Agung, Warman, Dimas. Group 2, Trihana, Eka. Group 3, Karina, Wiwit, and Ainun. Group 4, Nadira and Wina. Okay. Discuss with your group and then read the following letter 1. Compare it when the letter 2, then put the result in the table provided. Please, Trihana, read the text.
Yes, Mom. Jakarta, October 3rd, 2019. Dear Andre, how are you in Bali? I hope everything is well. We haven't met since I moved to Yogyakarta. It's about 3 months, isn't it? I will tell you about my new house. In Yogyakarta, I live in a village. The name of the village is Purworejo. I also have some neighbors. They are very friendly. They greet me warmly when I move to my new house. They help me to know the place well. So far, it is very nice to stay here. How about you, Andre? Please tell me everything about you in Bali and I would be glad to read it. Love, Siska.
Okay, thank you, Trihana. And then, okay, please, Karina, Read the text or read the letter number 2. Letter 2.
35 Senggigi Raya, Lombok 75009, Nusa Tenggara Timur 12 January 2014. My dear lovely city, hello, how are you, sweetie? I know you are angry with me because I'm writing to you after a long time. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. You know we are in Lombok right now. It is so beautiful beyond imagination. This is awesome. It is so beautiful. I couldn't believe my eyes. There are beautiful coral reef everywhere. We went for snorkeling and we saw the most amazing fish ever. I wish you were here. It would have been much more fun. Mom was making sure that we didn't miss any sight of the whole city, so we had practically been everywhere. I hope to go. Mom is here. I will see you soon. Let's awfully. Lana.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and then the question or perintahnya ya, discuss with your group, read the following letter 1, compare it with the letter 2, then put the result in the table provided. Nah, kalian mengerjakan ini ya, aspeknya the first, the purpose of the letter, address, date, sender, receiver, and tenses use, language use. Letter 1 and letter 2. Nah, kalian mengerjakan ini. Okay, and then I give you time about the 5 minutes and do your assignment. Ya, Ibu memberikan waktu kalian 5 menit untuk mengerjakan. Well, time is up. Ya, waktunya sudah habis. Okay, time is up ya, student. And then the question about the purpose of the letter. Please, who want to answer first?
Me, Mom, from Group 1. Purpose. Text 1. Siska tells about her new house in Jogja. Text 2. Lana gave the news that she was on vacation.
Okay, good. And then another group, maybe group 3 or group 4.
My mom from group 2.
Okay.
Sister tells Andre about her new house in Yogyakarta.
Okay, I think about often is true. Yeah. Okay, thank you, student. And then the address, letter 1 and letter 2.
My mom.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Wina.
Okay, what is your answer?
Text 1. Jalan Wijaya Kusuma, Blok A, 12, Jakarta Utara.
Okay, good.
2. 35 Segigi Raya, Lombok 7009, Nusa Tenggara Timur.
Okay, thank you. It is a clear ya, gampang karena di situ sudah ada teksnya. And then sender and receiver. Want to answer?
Me, Mom.
Yeah.
Me, Mom.
What is your name?
My name is Ainun.
Okay, what is your answer?
Me from group 3. Sender text 1, Vina. Sender text 2, Lana.
Next,
Receiver,
receiver.
receiver text 1, Andre. Receiver text 2, Siti.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you Ainun. And then language feature-nya. Want to answer?
Me mom from group 2.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Karina.
Okay, good. Answer
In
it.
Find simple present tense. Number 1, I hope everything is well. Number 2, the name of the village is Purworejo. Number 3, my village is small but is clean. Number 4, they are very friendly. Number 5, it is very nice. Present perfect tense. We have met since I moved to Yogyakarta.
Okay, good. Thank you, Karina. And then maybe another group have a different answer.
Me, Mom.
Yeah. What is your name?
Novita.
Okay, Nafido. Please explain.
In my group, we get some sentence again, Mom, but simple present. 1. There are many grand plants around my new house. 2. The air is very fresh. 3. I love an environment.
Okay. Then about the text too, maybe. One of you can answer it.
Me, Mom.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Agung.
Okay, Gung, please explain about your answer.
Present tense. Number 1. I know you are angry with me. Number 2. I am so sorry. Please forgive. Number 3. We are in Lombok right now. Number 4. It is so beautiful, beyond imagination. Number 5. I am writing to you from this really cut little cafe on Senggigi Beach. Number 6. She goes and will go for hours. Past tense. Number 1. Yesterday we went to Gili Nanggu. Number 2. We went for snorkeling. Number 3. And we saw the most amazing fish ever. Number 4. We didn't miss any sight of the whole city.
Okay, thank you, Agung ya. Maybe another group have different answer.
Me, Mom, from group 2. My
Okay,
name
what?
is Anna.
Okay, Tiana.
In present tense, Mom, I will add the sentence. The first, it is so beautiful. And second, there are beautiful coral reef everywhere.
Okay, thank you. Okay, about the text one, you can answer it, and then we try to answer the text two about the arranged sentences. Yeah. Okay. Please rearrange the jumbled paragraph into a good personal letter. Ya, ini kalian menyusun sebuah paragraf dari personal letter. Jadi buatlah paragraf yang betul, okay? And then I will give you time to do your assessment about the 5 minutes. Please do your assessment, and this is still in your group ya, okay? Okay, student, time is up. Please answer the question. Who want to answer the question?
Me, Mom, from group 2.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Trihana.
Okay, Trihana. Please
The
answer it.
The first, G.
Next.
Second, G. Third, D. Fourth, C. Fifth, A. Sixth, F. And 7, E.
Okay, good answer ya. Thank you, Trihana. Maybe another student have different answer.
No.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, student, and then I think time is up. Okay, we must try to give the rhythm, rhythm of today. Yeah, please give me evaluation and reflection. Okay, what we have learned today?
Personal letter.
And then
Social function of personal letter.
next,
Generic of personal letter.
next.
Letter. And simple present tense.
Personal letter.
Okay, good. And then What do you feel during this lesson?
Happy, Mom.
Happy, Mom. Mom.
Enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Do you enjoy this lesson today?
Of course, Mom. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you. And then, do you have any difficulties?
No, Mom.
Okay, thank you. And then, I'd like give you for homework ya. Homework. Please write a letter to friend you haven't seen or spoken to in a long time. Tell him or her about what you have been doing and ask them how they are and what they have been up to recently. And then situation 2, write a letter to your cousin and invite them to your wedding. Give them some details about your future husband or wife. Nah, yeah, and then you must make a personal letter about the two situation. Yeah, you can choose one of them. Yeah, okay. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom.
And then submit in Zoho ya. Nanti you can take your picture assessment ya, and then enter into Zoho form. Okay, thank you, student. Okay, for next meeting we have learned about the procedure text ya. You must prepare and learn about the procedure text. Okay, before we close our lesson, please Agong lead your friend to close our meeting.
Attention, please. Let's pray together.
Okay, thank you, Agung. Good morning, student.
Good morning.
Okay,
Morning.
see you.
See you.
Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, thank you. Oke, thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.